Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Be Optimistic. Today I'm here with another useful video for you. In this video I will let you guys know how to write introduction for IELTS writing task 2. Yesterday we have covered introduction writing for 3 different type of essays, discuss both views, agree, disagree, as well as advantage, disadvantage. And today I will cover introduction writing for rest of the 2 type of essays. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. So let's dive into it right now without wasting a precious time. Today we will write introduction for problem solution essay as well as double question essay. And first we will talk about problem solution essay. I've taken examples, so let's read it together. In these days, most of the children like to play computer games instead of doing outdoor activities. Which problems are being caused due to this, and how children can be encouraged to play outside? It is problem solution essay. In the first question we have to means in the first body paragraph we have to write the problems which are caused due to playing computer games, and in the second question we have to give the solution to encourage children to play outside, right? As we know, in introduction writing we just need paraphrasing as well as opinion if asked, but in this essay no any opinion is asked, so we just paraphrase the statement and write our thesis. As I have written introduction like this, it is irrefutable that, which means it is impossible to deny that electronic games are more preferred by children rather playing outdoors. I've just paraphrased the statement. Full stop. Innumerable means many. Problems are generated among juveniles means children owing to over dependence on electronic games, but initiatives of parents and school authorities can stimulate children to participate in outdoor games. Innumerable means many. Problems are generated means caused among juveniles means children owing to over dependence on electronic games, but initiative means step of the parents and school authorities can stimulate means encourage children to participate in outdoor games. I've just paraphrased the statement and give my thesis, because in this statement we don't have to write opinion because it is not asked, right? Hope it is clear to you. So next we discuss about how to write introduction for double question essay. I have again taken the same example. Most of the children like to play computer games instead of doing outdoor activities. What are reasons behind this, and is it positive or negative development? First question is same. First question is what are the reason means what are the causes due to which children like to play computer games, and secondly it is a opinion based essay in which our opinion is asked that whether this trend of playing computer games is positive or negative, right? So firstly we will do the paraphrasing, after that we will give our opinion. So let's have a look at my introduction. I've written, it is certainly true that electronic games are more preferred by children rather playing outdoors. Means I've just paraphrased. Certainly true that electronic games are more preferred means most of children like to play electronic games or computer games. Rather means instead of playing outdoors. Full stop. Certain contributing factor means reasons are liable means responsible for increasing tendency of juveniles towards computerized games means increasing trend of juveniles towards computerized games. And in my opinion these games put detrimental impact on them. Here them means children. I've used a pronoun over here, and detrimental means negative. We have just done the paraphrasing as well as given my opinion. As I have told you earlier that it is good to write 2-sentence introduction and its length should be up to 40 words, or it can be 2-3 words upper than this limit, but don't make your introduction too lengthy. And make sure to replace the given words with suitable words. Like we can replace some people with certain individuals or a section of society, right? And instead of many people, we can write majority of individuals. And thirdly, instead of some people think that, or some people opine that, or some people say that, we can write it is asserted by certain individuals. It is a passive tense, because in this tense I have used third form along with is. It is a passive form. It is good to have passive tense in your introduction as well as in entire essay. Or if you want to write in just simple form, then you can write in this way: certain individuals reckon that or assert that. And if in your essays immediately starts without having any group of people, without or you think that that statement about which the question is given is quite close to reality. For example, if it is related to crime rate, obesity, health issues, or computerized game, then you can start your introduction by it is certainly true that, or undoubtedly, or it is irrefutable that. And after that you will do paraphrasing, right? I hope so. These words will be useful for you, and you will try to write your introduction in this way. And now I have a homework for you in order to make sure that whether you are able to write proper introduction as per my guidelines or not. So please try to write introduction in the comment box so that I can check it and let you guys know about it. First statement is that nowadays online shopping becomes more popular than in-store shopping. Full stop. Why it is a case? Question mark. Is it negative or positive development? It is double question essay that we covered today. And second one is, some people think that it is better for children to grow up in the city, while others think that life in countryside is more suitable for them. Discuss both views and give your opinion. It is both views essay that we have covered yesterday. So you can take help of both the videos and then try to write the introduction and let me know about it. And these are few uncommon words that we have used today. First one is cause. Instead of writing cause, we can replace it with reason or contributing factor. Second one is detrimental, that we can use instead of writing negative. Third one is liable, that means responsible. Fourth one is tendency, that means trend. And fifth is irrefutable, that which means impossible to deny. And last is initiatives, that means steps. I hope that this video gonna be fruitful for you guys. So please subscribe my channel, like my videos, keep supporting, stay tuned. Thanks for watching.